Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can receive a WhatsApp notification automatically whenever someone add a tag to your contact in Keap CRM application. Guys, let's say that you have a growing list of contacts in your CRM and you want to stay updated about the activities going on in your CRM tool. For example, adding a tag to a contact. So what if I tell you that you can receive a notification about such activities on your WhatsApp without you lifting a finger? Well, that's entirely possible, and you can set up this whole automation workflow without any coding super simply. So I'm going to show you how you can set up this automation. To set up the workflow of this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description, and from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, sign up right now from the given link and then sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me provide a name here. So I have given this name. Now let me click on this create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. So there can be many automated actions for a particular trigger. In our use case, guys, adding a tag in Keap CRM contact is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to send a WhatsApp message on your number or to anyone. Okay. So when you click on this trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So here you have to search for Keap CRM or Infusionsoft, which is the previous name of Keap. So select this and then you have to select the trigger event as add tag to contact. Okay. And it will give you this webhook URL. So on this URL, you can receive data from any external application like Keap. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions written here to set up a connection with Keap, and after that you can get the response of this connection. So you can read the instructions or you can watch this video. We have created a separate video attached in this link on how to add Keap as a trigger of the workflow. So you can watch this video as well. Let me show you also how you can do this. First of all, guys, you need to log in into your Keap account. This is my Keap application. And from here, you need to open this automation section, okay, from the left hand side panel. And from here, you have to click on this plus icon and then select advanced automation option. So this is our advanced automation page. Here you can give a name to this campaign. So I'm going to add the name as tagging. Okay. Then click on save. Okay. And here in this blank space, you need to select a goal. Put a goal here on which you want to send the data. So here under the goals section, you will find this tag applied as a goal. So just drag and drop this tag applied option here on this canvas. Okay, right. And here when you click, you will find this view and edit option. Click on view and edit. And here you can select a particular tag. And for that tag, you can set up this automation. Okay, so you can set up the automation for selected tags under selected category as well. So let me select my tag here that I have created. This is a tag named as lead, and this is under prospect categories. So I'm selecting this. You can select multiple tags and multiple categories as well. Right now, I'm just showing you for one particular tag. Okay, click on save here. Right. And after this, here you can see I have this sequence option. So drag and drop this sequence here like this. Okay. And here you can see this arrow. Just drag this arrow to this sequence like this. So it is connected here. This is the first step. That means when a tag is applied, we want to do a thing. What we want to send the data of that contact to whom we have added the tag to my workflow. Okay, so for that, just click on this setup required and on this sequence, and then click on view and edit. And here you can see we have a starting point here. Let me just drag it here. So click on the starting point, and after this starting point, you will find the process section here. From the process, select this send HTTP post and drop it here. Okay. So what will be the starting point? It is going to, the sequence will start and send the HTTP post. Here, this means we are going to send the data to a link or a URL. Okay. So when you click on this view and edit option, it will ask for the post URL. So here you have to enter this URL that you got from your workflow. So just copy this URL and paste it here under the post URL field like this. Okay. Now here guys, you can create label and value pairs in which you can send the data. Okay. So these label value pairs is going to send the data, and you can select the data from this merge option. First of all, let me just create 3-4 pairs. So just click on this plus icon, and here a label value pair created just like this. Here you can see it has in the example, it has given us a contact ID. So you have to provide a name to these labels, and here you can select what data you want to send. So let's say the first label I have created is for the first name of the person, of the contact actually. Let me add one more label. Let this be for the last name. And let's say I want to receive the data of the email address. Okay. So I'm just showing you the demo. So I've just created 3 labels. You can create as many as you want. Now guys, click here on this first name field, and here click on this merge option, and here you can select the data that you want to send. So here the most common data you can see, you can select it from the contacts fields option. Select it, and from here click on the first name option. Here you can see it got mapped. Similarly, map the last name and the email address. Okay. So you can select custom data as well. You can see the custom things, the social links, the age, gender, meeting notes. You can select as many things as you want. Right now I'm just showing you the demo. Okay. Now guys, after creating these labels, just toggle this draft button here and it will become ready. Okay. So when it will become ready, click on this test option, and from here click on Pabbly Connect, and some test data will be sent to this workflow. Here you can see it's already waiting for the response of this connection that we are creating. So let's test this connection by clicking on test and Pabbly Connect. Here you can see test data sent successfully started showing up here. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data. And here's how you are going to receive the data in these labels. And here you are going to receive the actual data or the values associated with the labels, right? So this is the sample data. Now let's to capture a real data, click on this recapture button once more and click on yes, and it will start waiting again. Now go back here and click on this back arrow. Okay, and here also toggle this draft to ready. Okay, then click on back again, and from here click on this publish option. Click on publish, and you can see the campaign is ready now. Now you can click on publish once again, and here you can see the campaign is getting ready here for use. So the campaign is ready, or the automation is set up. Now you can close this, and here you can see it's still waiting for the response. So here you can see this is the contact section I have in Keap CRM, and let me open this contact named as test user. Okay, test user is the name, and here let me open that sorry, not the task section but the tag section, and here I'm going to find the tag I have created this automation for. So this was the tag I have created. Okay, and we have set up an automation for this particular tag. So I am adding this tag to this contact. You can set up this for multiple tags as well. So here I am clicking on add tag to test contact or test user, and here you can see the tag has been added. Okay, now let's check in our workflow if we have received the data of that contact. And here you can see guys, we have received the data. like this. It is showing the contact ID 148, first name test, last name user, and the email address. These are, so this is the same data of the contact. Here you can see, to which I have added the tag, right? Now I want to receive the notification about this activity on my WhatsApp. For that to happen, I'm going to use AiSensy application, which is a business API provider of WhatsApp. So with the help of AiSensy, you can send WhatsApp messages to many people using the API of WhatsApp. Use the action event as send template message. Click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to enter the API key of AiSensy application. So open AiSensy application. This is it. Here I have this manage option on the left hand side panel. Click on manage, and here you will find the API key tab. Click on it, and here you can generate a API key by clicking on this key button. Right now I have already generated a key, so I'm just going to copy this same key and I'm going to paste it here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with AiSensy. So I'm connected right now, and here it started asking to provide a campaign name, the mobile number on which you want to send the messages, the username of the person, and here you can provide the parameters. So first of all, let me show you AiSensy application. So this is AiSensy application, and I'm under the campaign section. So guys, you can launch campaigns here to send messages to people on WhatsApp in AiSensy. You just have to click on this launch option, and here I'm going to use the API campaign because I'm using automation to send WhatsApp messages. Okay, so select API campaign option, then click on next. And here it will ask you to give a name to your campaign and select a template, a message template to send the messages. So before creating the campaigns, you must have a template message ready to send messages. So guys, you can see I'm under the manage section, and here you can see the templates option. So template messages are predefined message structures that you need to create here beforehand to send messages on WhatsApp. Okay, so to create a message template, you can click on this new button. Here you can select the category of the message. Here you can give a template name. Here you can select the template type. You can select text messages, images, video, files, locations. You can send these type of messages. Here you have to type the message that you want to send. You can add a footer as well. You can add call to action buttons, and after that you have to submit the template, and it will be approved by AiSensy in just few minutes. And after that you will be ready to use that template to send the messages. I have already created a template for this purpose. Let me show you. Here you can see guys, I have created this tagged contact template message, and here you can see this is how the message is going to look like. Hi there, this is to inform you that a tag has been added to contact in Keap application. The details of the contact are as follows: name, email, contact ID. So guys, in this message you can see I have this variable placeholders 1, 2 and 3 in double curly braces. I have entered these variables inside the parameters of the template message, so that I can change the data every time I send the message. So while creating the template, you must place these placeholders in double curly braces inside your message template in strategic places, so that you can update the data of these placeholders every time the message is going to be sent. Okay, so here first of all let me just create a campaign for this message to be sent. So here you can see I have created this campaign. I have given the name here as Keap tags. This was the name of my campaign, and I have selected the template here, tagged contact. Okay, this is the same campaign. This is the same template message already selected. So let me enter the name of this campaign here in my workflow in the campaign name field like this. Okay, in the mobile number section, you can put your mobile number on which you want to receive the message, and you have to put it with a plus sign and a country code. Okay, this is how you can put the number. Okay, Here you can give a name to whom you are sending the message campaign to. Okay, and here you can apply tags, and here you can see it is asking to enter the template parameters. Here you can mention the values of these three parameters, and the data of that three parameters will change automatically when the message is going to be sent on WhatsApp. Now to change the data dynamically, I am going to map the values here in this field from the trigger step. Okay, so here I have in real time here, this is how the data will appear. Okay, and you can map these labels from the trigger step to here in this template parameter field. You just have to click and you have to sequentially enter the values of the parameters. So here you can see the first parameter is for the name of the contact to whom the tag is applied. Then we have email, then we have contact ID. So sequentially you need to map the parameters. First of all, here you can see as I have clicked, the previous step is appearing here, the trigger is appearing here, right, like this, and when you click on it you will find the data here also. So click on this first name label, then click on the last name label, then put a comma, then map this value of second parameter, which is the email address, then put a comma, then map the third parameter, which is the contact ID. So sequentially it will be placed in the message automatically. Okay, whenever there is a new message is going to be sent through this automation. That's why it is necessary to map the labels here, because the labels will be updated in real time when this workflow is going to execute, right? Now we are pretty done here. If you have anything else to use, you can use these fields. If you have a file to send, you have a URL to send, you can put the values here. You can use all these fields, but right now I am done here. This is my requirement, and now you can test your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request button, and a WhatsApp template message will be sent to the number that you have placed here. So let me show you the demo. I'm going to put my WhatsApp number here, then I'll click on save and send test request. So guys, let me click on save and send test request button, and this is the response we have received. It is showing success. Okay, and this is my WhatsApp. Let's check my WhatsApp, and here you can see guys, I have received the message, and in this message you can see it is written, hey there, this is to inform you that a tag has been added to a contact in Keap application. The details of the contact are as follows: test user, test@pabblytest.com, contact ID 148. These are all the same things that I have mapped here in the workflow like this, and the same data is on my WhatsApp message, and the template structure is also, you can check, this is the same template structure. So this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that it is going to trigger every time you or your team is going to add a tag to a contact in Keap. This workflow is going to trigger and send you a WhatsApp message automatically, and I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.